In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Fortnite on your computer. So the first thing you need to do is head over to an internet browser and you need to search for the Epic Games launcher and hit enter. Then head over to this top search result, the store.epicgames.com, and from this website you need to hit download in the top right hand side. Once this file is downloaded, head over to your downloads folder and just run the Epic Games installer. Now in order to run Fortnite, we first need to install Epic Games, so just go through these installation steps on the screen. I'm going to click install and then just give that a few seconds to install to your device. Once that's finished installing, it's going to bring up the Epic Games sign-in page. Now from here you need to sign in with your Epic Games account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one at the bottom here. It's completely free to sign up. Once you're signed into your account, head over to the search store tab at the top and then just search for Fortnite. From the drop down, click on Fortnite. Now scroll down slightly and on the right hand side you'll see a button that says get. Now I've already got Fortnite in my library, so I won't have this button, but you just need to go through the steps to add Fortnite to your library. Once you've added Fortnite to your library, click on library in the left hand side and then scroll down to the game Fortnite and just click install. Then make sure you have auto update selected and also make sure create shortcut is checked. Then finally go ahead and hit the install button, and now you'll just need to wait for this installation to get to 100%, and that's how you install Fortnite to your computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.